Good morning. This is Wild Bill at Wild Bill's VW Garage here in Pensacola, Florida, where it's now a brisk 51 degrees. It was 36 when I first woke up this morning, but I decided now would be a good time to go ahead and get my Chinese diesel heater going again. I haven't used it since last year, and I tried to start it last night and it wouldn't go. It threw up a code, and the code was the battery was too low. So I rehooked up the battery, charged it up, and had to purge the system of air bubbles that had collected over the past year, and cranked it up. A lot of smoke billowed out of it, but it's doing fine now. So let's take a look. Good old Rusty waiting patiently, and I apologize for the noise in the background. Now I've got this little handy dandy little infrared, tells you what the temperature is. As you can see, it's 50 degrees, 51 degrees out here. So let's take a look inside of the bus. Just to refresh everybody's memory, my fuel tank is right there. Got about a gallon in there right now of diesel fuel. Underneath the floorboard runs the fuel line into a filter into the pump and up into the bottom. Get my flashlight because it's not very much light down here, and you can see the heater. And like I say, with the background noise, you can barely hear it running, which is a good thing. I mean, if you're sleeping at night in this, you don't want a lot of noise. This large hose goes up into the tree and comes out through the vent here and through the vent there. So it's getting kind of toasty inside. Right now, coming out of the top vent, we're sitting at about 123 degrees coming out of there. Oh yeah, 140 something, yeah. The bottom vent, wow, putting out a lot of heat. That's on both sides. Now what'll happen is, with all the doors closed and everything, it heats up the interior of this bus to a very good temperature. Right now it's sitting at 51. I've got the sliding door open and both of the passenger and driver's door open, so we're getting a draft in there. And I've got some repair work to do on seals and stuff like that. So yeah, we're sitting at, it's kind of hard to see, 112. That beam's got to be right. Yeah. Okay, it's kind of hard to read this. Hold the camera. Oh, 129. About 129 degrees coming out from the top side up there. But like I said, it's great. Now, the exhaust, it's that little shiny box right there that you see. And it's venting out below. So I can run this thing when I'm driving, which is an advantage because those vents up there blow warm air onto the windscreen. And if I've got dew or fog built up on the inside of the glass, you know, Volkswagen buses and bugs, you got to wipe those things down so you can see where you're going. But with this running, piece of cake. But anyway, just thought I'd give you a quick update on how we stay a little bit warm down here in sunny Florida. And I know you people up north would probably be laughing your asses off, but you know what? You get used to temperatures, cold temperatures, and every little bit helps as far as heat. So this is Wild Bill reporting from Pensacola, Florida, saying it's warm inside thanks to my cheap ass Chinese diesel heater. If you're thinking about getting one, do it. I've got another video, if you look on my page at Wild Bill VW on YouTube, shows you the installation of the current heater. I've had it about 4 or 5 years now, so I'm very satisfied with it. It does put out good heat. Talk to you later. This is Wild Bill saying peace.